Hey folks, we have a special delivery from DHL. Yay, it's massive. Here's a pen as a reference to how big it is. Let's open it up. I don't know where the right place to cut it is. There's a few boxes in here, it looks like. Okay, whoa, that is heavy. As is this. Let's start with the top one, shall we? Wow, cool. So, for the first time, I have panelized boards. These are my remake of my SAMD21 Mangler with the things, the programmer header fixed. So I managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2. So I managed to get 8 on a panel. So instead of getting 10 of them, I've now got 80 of them. Does that sound right? Instead of 10, I've got 8. Wow. I've got 80 SAMD21 Manglers. What else have I got? Reflow Master. I did 2 by 2. These are my redo of my Reflow Master. I took the programming header off and I spaced out the screw terminal header positions a bit more, made the board a little bit wider. So now I can actually place the screw terminals much better than what I had before. Better positioning. That looks really close to the edge. I'll have to check those out. But again, 2 by 2, so I now have 40 Reflow Master boards. I have, holy moly, so the V-scores are eating into the boards, it looks like. These are my new ESP32 development boards, my updated boards. I got 3 across, so I have 30 of these. Wow. This particular board, gosh, that is tiny. These are my tiny, AT-tiny development boards. Oh my. 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 per panel by 10. 300 boards, folks. 300 boards. What the? I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I've got another pen. Yay. And lucky last, these are my badge boards. Okay, I need to open this up and check out what this is going to be. Okay, check out one of these. Wow. So these are my boards for my badges. For the badge event. Make something unexpected. The back silkscreen didn't work. That sucks. I'll have to check all the back silkscreens. Yeah, they all worked. These ones didn't. Oh no. No back silkscreen. Anyway. These are sharp. These are shurikens. I can't wait to put one of these together and show you what it is and how it works. Cool. So, we've also got, let me just put that back inside, some stencils. Now, I ordered the stencils separately, and I'll explain why. So, for instance, with my tiny AT-Tiny 85 boards, I didn't want to do a stencil of a whole panel, because that would have been making 30 boards at once. So, I put an order in for these, and then I separately put an order in unpanelized for just one stencil. So you can see AT-Tiny 85 board. This way I could just do one stencil at a time, which is perfect for what I need. I did exactly the same with my Reflow Master board. These are updated Reflow Master. These were panelized, but I only wanted to do one at a time. Perfect. But what is in here? Did I get one of my stencils wrong? Because once again I've got a massive stencil. Or maybe I don't. No, I think I do. So, one of these is Okay, so here's my stencil for my badge, which is perfect, a single stencil. Obviously, if the stencil's small enough, they sit it in a bag. Otherwise, they put it on a board, so you can see there's quite a big difference in size. So that's fine. So what is this stencil? What did I get wrong? Did I get something wrong here? Why did they send this for a tiny stencil? Well, I don't know. But I'm going to cut this up and use it for multiple ones. I'll actually mount this one and this one. I can do 4 of them on a sheet. Perfect. So this is the stencil for my ESP32. So I had to get new stencils for them all because they had board changes. Wow, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stencils. I didn't have to get a new stencil for my SAMD21 mangler because the board layout didn't change. The only thing that changed was the programming header was flipped around the other way. So I can use the same stencil for that. 4 lots of boards. So 5 boards in total. Now, I need to do a big thank you to JLC PCB. They did not pay for all of this, but they paid for this one. So this is the Tiny Dev Tiny 85 development boards. They paid for these boards and the stencils and delivery for those. And I paid for all of these, which is cool. I'm happy to pay for my boards. As I've mentioned several times, I love their quality, I love their service, and I will continue to use them, and I don't mind if I have to pay for them. I will gladly do that. So this will be a sponsored video when I put this together, my AT Tiny 85 boards. God, they are small. I don't even know how I'm going to pull these apart. I've got so many of them, I might have to give some away. And the rest of them, yes, I will get to them at some point in the future. But there you go. What a crazy delivery. So many PCBs. Happy PCB Day, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. To all my new subs, welcome. Don't forget to follow me on social media. And until next time, bye.